I am going to tell you something today, and I hope you listen with an open heart. When you have money, when you have a home, when you've spent decades building something real, there are people in your family who are already watching, already counting, already waiting. And I'm not talking about strangers. I'm talking about the people who sit at your dinner table. The ones who smile in your face and call you mom or auntie. I'm talking about in-laws who, the moment things get hard, the moment you get sick, or you lose your husband, or you get older, they suddenly remember every little thing they think they are entitled to. That feeling in your stomach right now, that tightness, hold on to that. Because that feeling might be the thing that saves your home. I want to tell you a story, and this is real. This happened, and it happens more than you know. There was a woman in my hometown, Nigeria, married for over 30 years. She and her husband built everything together: a home, a life, a family. She cooked in that kitchen. She raised children in those rooms. She watered the garden. She paid bills. That house was hers as much as it was his. But her husband passed away, and because they had no son, only daughters, his family came. His brothers, his cousins, relatives she hadn't seen in years. They came with a certainty that shook her to her core. They said the property belonged to the family now, to the bloodline. And in their eyes, she wasn't the bloodline. She was just the wife. Within months, she was pushed out of the home she had lived in for 30 years. No legal protection, no documentation in her name, nothing to hold on to. She didn't lose her house because she was weak. She lost it because no one told her to protect herself while she still could. And I'm here today because I don't want that to be your story. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. My in-laws would never do that. And maybe you're right. Maybe they wouldn't. But here's the thing about life. People change when money is involved. People change when grief is involved. People change when they feel like there's something on the table and no one's watching. I've seen the kindest families fall apart over property. It's not always evil. Sometimes it's just desperation. Sometimes it's just greed dressed up in grief. Either way, your home is too important to leave unprotected. So let's talk about what you can actually do, right now, while you still have the power to do it. Number 1, get your name on the deed. If you're married and your name is not on the title of your home, that needs to change. Both names. Today, not next month, today. A deed without your name is a home you don't legally own, no matter how long you've lived there. Number 2, make a will. A real one, done with a real attorney. Not handwritten, not verbal. A legal will that clearly states who gets what. Without a will, the courts decide. And the courts don't know your story. They don't know that you're the one who built that home. Number 3, consider a living trust. This is something a lot of people don't know about. A living trust lets you transfer ownership of your home to a trust that you control while you're alive. And when you pass, It goes directly to whoever you choose. No probate, no courts, no in-laws showing up with claims. Number 4. Talk to an estate planning attorney. I know it sounds formal. I know it sounds expensive. But 1 hour with the right attorney can protect everything you've worked for. Many offer free consultations. It's worth every minute. Number 5. Have the conversation with your husband now, while you're both here, while things are good. Decide together what happens to this home. Write it down. Make it legal. Love doesn't protect property. Documents do. I want to leave you with this. You didn't spend 30, 40, 50 years building a life just for someone to walk in and take it the moment your guard is down. You are smart, you are capable, and you deserve to feel secure in the home that you built. Protection isn't paranoia, it's wisdom. And wisdom is exactly what this season of your life is about. Take care of yourself. Talk to an attorney. Get your name on that deed. And if this video helped you today, share it with the woman you love. She might need to hear this more than you know.